Uh, Hello everybody, I am Syed Salimuddin, lecturer Mechanical Engineering, SJ Government Polytechnic, Bangalore. Today we will be discussing about session 4, unit 4, grinding machines. In this one the contents are abrasives, then grit, grade and structure of wheels. First we should know what is an abrasives. So these are extremely hard material consisting of very small particles called grains. Grains carry a number of sharp cutting edges and corners. Selection of abrasives depends on the type of material to be ground. What are the different types of abrasives? So we have got two types of abrasives here. One is natural and other is artificial. Natural abrasives are these abrasives are obtained from the earth crust. They include sandstone, emery, corundum and diamond. Sandstone is used as abrasive to grind softer materials only. Emery is natural alumina. It contains aluminum oxide and iron oxide. Corundum is also a natural aluminum oxide. Diamond is the hardest available natural abrasive. It is used in making grinding wheels to grind cemented carbide tools. Different types of abrasives. In this we have got artificial abrasives. Earlier to this we have discussed about natural abrasives. Then here now we will discuss about the artificial abrasives. There are two types of artificial abrasives. One is silicon carbide abrasives and the second one is the aluminum oxide abrasives. Different types of abrasives. Here we will discuss what is this silicon carbide abrasives. These abrasives manufactured from 56 parts of silica, 34 parts of powder coke, 2 parts of salt and 12 parts of sawdust in a long rectangular electric furnace of the resistance type that is built of loose brickwork. There are two types of silicon carbide abrasives. One is green grit and black grit. Silicon carbide is next to diamond in the order of hardness. It is not tough enough as aluminum oxide. This is manufactured under the trade names of corundum and it is denoted by the letter S. Aluminum oxide abrasives. This abrasive is mainly used for its hardness and strength. This is mainly used as a substitute for the industrial diamond. Most of the sandpapers we use has aluminum oxide material. Corundum is the most commonly natural occurring crystalline form of aluminum oxide. This abrasive reacts to the atmosphere. It has temperature and electrical resistance properties. Then, what is grit, grade and structure of wheels? In a grinding wheels, we have got the grit, grade and structure of wheels. Grit is also called as the grain size. The grinding wheel is made up of thousands of abrasive grains. So these abrasive grains are attached to the grinding wheel. The grain size or grit number indicate the size of the abrasive grains. There are 4 different groups of grain size, namely coarse, medium, fine and very fine. If the grit number is large, the size of the abrasive is fine, and a small grit number indicates a large grain of abrasive. You can see from the sketch. standard grain size for grinding wheels. We have got grit designation, then we have got grain size or grit number. We have got four here. One is coarse, next is medium, fine and very fine. The numbers are given here: 10, 12, 14, 16, 20, 24. So these are all coarse. In medium we have got 30, 36, 46, 54 and 60. In fine we have got 80, 100, 120, 150, 180. In very fine we have got 220, 240, 280, 320, 400, 500 and 600. Here the first three types are coarse, medium and fine are used in grinding work, and very fine grit, that is having grain size from 220 onwards, is used in honing work. Next, what is a grade? The grade of the grinding wheel refers to the tenacity or the hardness with which the wheel holds the abrasive grains in place. It does not refer to the hardness of the abrasive grains. This grade is indicated by the English alphabet. The term soft or hard refers to the resistance a bond offers to disruption of the abrasives. A wheel from which the abrasive grains can easily be dislodged is called soft. The abrasive which holds the grain more securely is called hard. The grade of the bond can be classified into different categories. So, the classification for grade is as follows. A to E is very soft, G to K is soft, L to O is medium, P to S is hard and T to Z is very hard. These are the different grades of grinding wheel which has been shown here. So that is soft, medium, hard. So as is given here, it is A to H is soft, I to P is medium, Q to Z is hard. So these are all the classification for grade. Next, what are the recommended grades, grid sizes and bond for various operations as per ISI specification? So here we have got the table, that is type of operation, grade, grid size and bond. So we have got swing frame and billet grinding, that is R to T, grade size is 12 to 16. Then high speed snagging, Q to T, 16 to 24. Low speed snagging, Q to R, 16 to 36. We are using vitrified bond. Then surface grinding using segmental and cup wheels, F to I, 24 to 48 is the grid size, and the bond used is vitrified. Then for cutting off, we have got P to T, 36 to 60. We are using resinoid bond. Then offhand tool grinding, we are using N to Q. Grade is N to Q. Grid size is 36 to 80. The bond used is vitrified. Then surface grinding straight wheels, we have got the grade as H to K. Grid size should be 46 to 60. Bond used is vitrified. Then for crankshaft grinding, we have got N to P, 46 to 70. Then bond used is vitrified. Tool and cutter grinder, J to L, 46 to 80. Bond used is vitrified. Then we have got structure, etc., etc. Then we have got structure. It is the relative spacing occupied by the abrasive and the bond. It is been denoted by the number and size of void spaces between grains. It may be dense or open. Open structure wheels are used to grind soft and ductile materials. Dense wheels are useful in grinding brittle materials. Next, these are denoted by number from 1 to 15, 1 to 8, dense structure, 9 to 15, open structure. So we have got here the structure of grinding wheel. Structure type might be dense. The next is open. Dense we have got 1 to 8. So these are all 1 to 8 dense structure. 9 to 15 we have got open structure. Right, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 are up. So So selection of a particular structure, this will depend upon the hardness of work material and the type of grinding operation and quality of surface finish needed on the work surface. Now, bitter and hard materials are used for finished grinding work will need a dense structure, whereas while a soft and tough work material is used for rough grinding operation will need an open structure. So then here we have got some of the MCQs which we are going to discuss. An abrasive is a substance used for grinding and dash. So options given are burnishing, polishing, buffing. Second one, an abrasive should be pure and have uniform dash properties. Options given are physical, chemical, mechanical. Third one, abrasives may be classified into dash principal groups. Options are 1, 2, 3. Fourth one, dash is a natural abrasive. Options are gold, silver, diamond. Next, emery contains dash percent of alumina. 55 to 65, 65 to 75, 75 to 85. Next, dash of less than gem quality are crushed to produce abrasive grains. A. Platinum, B. Gold, C. Diamond. Seventh one, artificial abrasives are of chiefly dash types. Options given are 2, 3, 4. Next, there are dash types of silicon carbide abrasives. The options given are 4, 3, 2. Next, aluminum oxide is manufactured in a dash type of furnace or dome circle. Next, aluminum oxide is adapted to grinding materials of dash tensile strength. Options are low, medium, high. Here some of the key answers are given. You can check up. And these are all the reference books which we have given. You can refer these books for more information. Thank you.